Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a simple folder hierarchy and immediately enabling rules to reduce noise. This saves time. Create folders like Action, Archive, Reference, and a project folder for active threads. Then open Rules and add a rule. Move messages from key senders into project folders. This is how you automate triage. Once done, make sure Focused Inbox is set to your preference so important mail isn't hidden. This first step reduces clutter and gives you a predictable workflow. You now refine sorting with conditional rules and quick steps to handle complexity. Create rules that detect attachments, specific keywords, or high-importance flags, and route those emails to dedicated folders. This prevents mixed threads. Use quick steps to combine actions like reply and move or forward and tag, which speeds processing. Once configured, apply rules retroactively to clean existing mail and set retention or archive rules so older messages auto-move. This keeps your mailbox performant and focused. You finish by creating search folders and saved searches so recurring queries are one click away. This is how you maintain visibility without duplicating mail. Run mailbox cleanup and compact your PSD/OSD to reclaim space and improve performance. Make sure folder permissions and sync settings match your devices. If something fails, check rule order and whether rules are disabled, then verify Outlook sync status. Fixing rule priority or re-enabling a rule usually resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.